Galaxy S20 Plus, the greatest flagship device from Samsung. And I've got to say, guys, this is actually the cosmic gray color. This phone is absolutely stunning. Every curvature, every lining of this phone, every little edge, 6.7-inch display smartphone, guys. It's a beautiful, breathtaking phone, guys. All the latest specs, 5G, what more can you ask for? But I've also been smashing the Galaxy lineup since the S4. I've never missed a year. So you know what this calls for, guys. A little bit of a test. A little test to this gorgeous 2020 smartphone. I have my handy dandy knife. I've got the hammer. Let's put the two together and see what we can create. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and just take the knife and gently flip the phone over so we can see the beautiful back, and do a few little hits, just a few gentle little hits. Okay, so as you guys can see, camera cracks right away. Had to create a whole bunch of hard jabs at the back here, nothing happening, but when it touches the camera lens, we've got a crack right away. Whew. And just like that, the back, I feel like the knife sliced into the phone, or maybe I was just seeing things. And just taking a closer look at this phone, guys, you can see the crazy cool design that knife created. So it's almost as if there's a spider on the phone. You've got the body right here and just the legs coming out right at the bottom. Beautiful design. 2 additional lines right here. Of course, the camera lens is cracked as well, but there's no other cracks. Now we're going to go ahead and move on with the hammer. So as always, I'm going to first of all just drop the hammer very gently a few inches away from the phone in 3, 2, 1, and we're good to go. Round 2, still good to go in round 3. Wow, very impressive. That was definitely a lot higher than I usually do those hammer drops. Still good to go, guys. So now the ultimate test here, we're gonna go nice and slow. There you go, guys. Not a lot of pressure. And just like that, we have that shatter going on there. So the phone still works, which is really good. Okay. Looking pretty saucy there with a nice little black. Oh my goodness. Would you just look at that? Straight through the middle. I'm not feeling any overheating. Looks like we're still good to go. Oh, okay. And that's how we get things done here, guys. So, check it out. Still no heating up. Phone is relatively the same temperature as before, which is really crazy. But I hope you guys enjoyed that Galaxy S20 Plus hammer test. It does not power on. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, stay tuned for more videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.